From a broad topic to a focused one. The most useful way to think of a topic is as a starting place for your research. From this starting place, you can head off in a particular direction and thus narrow an overly broad topic into a productive, focused one. At this point, the biggest risk is settling on a topic that is too broad. A topic is probably too broad if you can state it in 3 to 5 words. For examples, number 1, free will and Tolstoy. Number 2, what is student success? These topics are so broad that it would almost be impossible to find a starting point, much less find all the resources that might be relevant to such a topic. So we need to narrow it down to a more reasonable, focused one. You do this by adding words and phrases of a particular kind, such as conflict, description, contribution, and develop. These nouns are derived from verbs expressing action or relationships. Without action words, your topic is a static thing. For examples, number 3, free will and Tolstoy could be the conflict of free will and inevitability in Tolstoy's description of 3 battles in War and Peace. Or number 4, what is student success could be what contributes to a college student's success. See what happens when we restate statements 1 and 2 as complete sentences. Number 1, there is free will in Tolstoy. Number 2, how does one define student success? In reality, the above are not topics because they do not lead anywhere. If we revise numbers 3 and 4 into full sentences, they are closer to a claim that a reader may find interesting. For examples, number 3, the conflict of free will and inevitability in Tolstoy's description of 3 battles in War and Peace can become, in War and Peace, Tolstoy describes 3 battles in which free will and inevitability conflict. Number 4, what factors can contribute to a college student's success? You may have noticed that these claims are very thin at this point. However, we will flesh them out as we conduct our research.